Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Strava app for running. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do, if you haven't done so already, download and sign in. So go to your Player App Store, search for Strava and install onto your device. Then from there, create an account or sign into your account. And now from here, once you're inside the app, you want to go ahead and set running as your default sport, which is optional. So to do this, tap your profile, go to settings and record settings. So I'm going to go click on my user profile. And from here, click on the gear icon. Now inside settings, it should say primary sport. If it doesn't stay out like on my version, we can go back and then click onto edit. It might be inside of here. Here it is here. So primary sport. If you're always running, just make sure that is set to running. Then after that, go back to your profile, make sure to save it as well. And now go back to the main menu. From here, it will say, so in the home tab, go ahead and click on record. So click on record. There might be some permissions that you need to enable. Go ahead and enable them. So for sport, I'm going to keep that as a run. And then also alarms and reminders. So enable this setting so that your activity recording continues even if the event of an app crash or error. So I suggest to go continue and then find Strava. Where it is, there it is there. Make sure that's enabled and go back. Then from here, you want to go ahead and click on the start button here. Then Strava will track the distance, pace, time, elevation, and your GPS route. Also, during your run, you can swipe to see stats like average pace, distance, and splits. If you're a premium subscriber, you can also follow a pre-planned route or use a beacon for live location sharing. Then from there, simply go ahead and finish and save. So tap stop, finish, then save activity, and then add a title. For example, if it's a morning run, put morning run, notes, and even upload photos before saving. And then after saving, Strava will show you the distance, time, average pace, splits, elevation gain, and route map. Also kudos and comments for friends if you share publicly.